Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix objects on frozen layers still showing in AutoCAD. Layers are one of the most important tools for organizing drawings in AutoCAD. When a layer is frozen, all objects on that layer should disappear from the drawing and stop regenerating. However, there are situations where objects continue to appear even after their layer has been frozen. This can be confusing, especially for beginners, but the problem is usually caused by viewport settings, layer overrides, or display refresh issues. Let's go through the most common fixes. First, open the Layer Properties Manager by typing LA and pressing Enter. Locate the layer that is supposed to be frozen and verify that the Freeze column displays a snowflake icon. If the layer is only turned off rather than frozen, freeze it properly and check whether the objects disappear. Next, determine whether you are working in model space or paper space. If you're inside a layout viewport, layers can have separate viewport-specific settings. A layer may be frozen globally, but still visible in a particular viewport because of layer overrides. To check this, activate the viewport by double-clicking inside it. Open the Layer Properties Manager and look for the VP Freeze column. If the layer is not frozen in the active viewport, click the VP Freeze icon to freeze it specifically within that viewport. Another common cause is that the drawing display has not updated correctly. Type REGENALL and press Enter. This command regenerates the entire drawing and refreshes all visible objects. In many cases, objects that remain visible after freezing a layer disappear immediately after regeneration. You should also verify that the objects actually belong to the layer you froze. Select one of the visible objects and open the Properties palette by pressing Ctrl+1. Check the layer property and confirm that the object is assigned to the correct layer. Sometimes objects are mistakenly placed on a different layer with a similar name. If the objects are part of a block, the situation may be slightly different. Open the block using the block editor and inspect the layers of the objects inside. If the geometry was created on layer 0 or another layer, freezing the expected layer may not affect the block as intended. Another possibility involves XREFs. If the visible objects come from an external reference, freezing layers in the host drawing may not be enough. Open the Layer Properties Manager and locate the XREF layers. Freeze the specific XREF layer responsible for displaying the objects. If the issue persists, run the Audit command and allow AutoCAD to fix any detected errors. Corrupted layer information can occasionally cause unexpected visibility behavior. Finally, save the drawing, close AutoCAD, and reopen the file. Restarting the software forces AutoCAD to rebuild display data and apply layer settings from scratch, which can resolve stubborn visibility issues. By checking viewport overrides, regenerating the drawing, verifying object layers, inspecting blocks and XREFs, and repairing drawing errors, you can solve most cases where objects remain visible even though their layers are frozen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.